The boat AirDops 171. I have been using this AirDops for the few days now, and let's do review in the today's video. Hey guys, this is Parth, and if you are watching me first time, then please do consider subscribing this channel. So let's first now talk about the design and build quality, and here I would say I will give the 4.5 rating out of 5 for the design and build quality of this AirDops. The design looks good. I have the mysterious blue color, and the case itself is come in the oval shape. So coming to the AirDops itself, it is very pretty lightweight, and if you are wearing this for around 2 or 3 hours continuously, then even you don't have to worry about the weight and uncomfortability of on your ear. It doesn't fall out from your ear either while using it or running it. So in terms of that also, they have managed a very good weight distribution. There is a logo of boat on both the AirDops, and we have a tricolor LED for the charging and the pairing case. Also, the charging cable is included with the AirDops, so the cable quality itself is good. Nothing spectacular, but it will get the job done. Let's talk about the charging. The AirDops itself, both the AirDops itself, it's come with a 43 mAh battery for the each AirDops, and the case itself holds a 380 mAh of battery, and the charging time the case taken is around 2 to 2.5 hours to get the fully charged. So in terms of charging that case, it will not consume that much of a time. Now let's talk about the charging and the battery life of the case itself and the AirDops itself. So I am using it with a 60% volume all the time, and I have charged the AirDops with a case at 3 times already with the fully charged case, and each AirDops is taking around 1.5 hours to get the fully charged, and still I can charge the AirDops from the case. So battery life you can expect for the 60-70% volume is very good. Both claims that around 13 hour battery life for the including charging case for this AirDops, so which is very good. And reason why I am using it with the 60% volume is that 60% at the 60% volume also the AirDops can go very loud, so you don't have to just push volume up in order to get a good sound quality and the loudness itself. Let's now talk about the audio quality, and the good thing is that this earphone, this AirDops does get very loud, as I have mentioned. Around 60% volume also it is very loud, so above that it will go very loud if you like the loudness. But the thing is that with this AirDops, some people may like or may not like. This is not a bass heavy AirDops or the design for the bass lovers. Yes, the bass is there slightly here and there, but it is not a bass heavy AirDops like other boAt audio products, boAt wireless earphones and the boAt wired earphones. Also, I have noticed that while going at the very lowest volume, around 10% to 0%, there is almost not much of difference in the volume. So around 10% also you will not find that much difference in the loudness to the as compared to the 0% volume. So that's the one thing I have noticed. Maybe the problem with my unit, or maybe it is built like that. Let's talk about the connectivity. In the connectivity front, theoretically, boAt claims that this AirDops has a connectivity up to 10 meters, and this comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. So latest Bluetooth is here, so it is very good thing for the budget AirDops. So now let's talk about the practical connectivity. So I have 3 BHK flat, and I am using it. I have kept the smartphone with connected to my AirDops in the one room, and after I crossed the one room and I got into the another room, then also the connectivity was good. It doesn't have any problem without them, but as soon as I got in the third room, the connectivity issues started. So theoretically, if boAt claims that 10 up to 10 meter is range, it is good, but theoretically you can expect around the 5 meter of a range, which is again okay for the Bluetooth AirDops, especially for the budget Bluetooth AirDops. Also, one bonus thing, one nice addition to this AirDops, and I have noticed, is that you can connect a 2-device smartphone or any other device simultaneously with this AirDops, which is very good thing. I have done experiment to see if it connects to smartphones at the same time, and it worked. So it is a very good thing to have this. So now let's talk about the multifunctional button functionality. So here how it will goes. So if you want to answer a call, you have to press the multifunctional button on the both AirDops, any of the, of course, for the one time, and you will receive a call. And if you want to reject the phone call, then you have to press it 2 times. If you want to on the AirDops manually, then you have to press any of the multifunctional button for the 5 seconds. And if you want to just factory reset the AirDops, then you have to press the button for the around 10 seconds to get the factory reset both the AirDops. And if you want to just change the track while listening to a music, then you have to press the right multifunctional button. And if you want to go to the previous track, then you have to press the left multifunctional button of the AirDops. So do note that this one doesn't have any kind of a music control on the AirDops, so which is a one kind of a thing, and you can take it as a negative or positive, whatever you can. But the thing is that you can't control the volume levels with this AirDops. Finally, what I am thinking about this AirDops, this AirDops is very good, around the 1800 rupees. The design and build quality is good. The Boat is a very good brand. It is an Indian brand. But again, if you are looking for the bass heavy AirDops, then you can look at some of the other earphones in this price range. Also, the transmission range is not that much great, although this comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. So any other things, battery life is very good. The budget, if you are looking for around under 2000 rupees AirDops, then this is one of the good earphones. I have the mysterious blue color, and in this color also it looks good. That's it from this video, guys. I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for the more videos like this. I will be reviewing some of the other products as well. Till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.